Cheer. Rihanna. Good girl going bad. Take 3. Action. Ho. No clouds in my stones. Let it rain. I hydroplane in the bank. Coming down like a Dow Jones. When the clouds come, we gone.
Let's party!
Yeah! You know, man. In anticipation, back through the rainy day. Rain Man is back. With little Miss Sunshine. Rihanna, where you at?
Hey guys! Hey, quiet down for a second.
What?
I'm gonna go find the light switch or something, because it's a little dark in here. Oh, good. Hey guys, I got it!
So, you come here often?
This is a murder house. You know, it's a murder house.
Yeah. So did it hurt? When you fell from heaven? Hey, you wanna go find somewhere a little more cozy?
Let's go.
Now that's what I'm talking about!
The garage is your idea of cozy?
Yeah, I'm a guy.
So, yeah, it's new. Yeah. Think about maybe right before I came to the party.
On the floor?
Yeah.
Is that just for me?
Yeah.
Hey! Hey! Hey, little privacy, please? What?
Oh my gosh! Stop having a Josh! Stop having a Josh! Help me! Stop it! Having a Josh! Josh!
Dude, that girl's Looney Tunes. What girl?
You. Hello?
For this old house, it's not that bad. Got a good paint job. Solid foundation, 6-panel doors, crown molding, umbrella, wood curtains, and a chandelier. Ow! Ugh. Well, what else has he got in here? Stop it! I'm trying Stop it! I'm trying to admire this old house!
Hey, I got a loser spot.
Killing spree.
Oh.
Just kidding. Not real.
Great party.
Sweet fridge. Yeah. You can fit a 6-pack of soda in here.
Awesome party, hey?
I know, man.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad, dude. Oh, yeah. What a party. That was so awesome.
That chick was hot.
I know, man. It was
Oh,
crazy. Hey, where was Ethan tonight?
Good question.
I don't know. We gotta call him later.
Yeah.
What do you want to do now?
I don't know.
Let's go back to your house and play Halo.
Awesome, man.
We'll call that girl again.